Here are processors with clock speed with the passage of time. Start with Motorola. The Motorola 68040 is a 32-bit microprocessor in the Motorola 68000 series, released in 1990. Here are the key facts and stats about the Motorola 68040. The fastest version of the 68040 processor runs at 40 ms and was used in the Quadra 840AV. The IBM Power 1 microprocessor was launched in 1990 and had a clock speed of 20-30 MHz. It was a multi-chip CPU that implemented the Power Instruction Set Architecture, ISA, and was used in the IBM RS6000 Power Server servers and Power Station workstations.
The MIPS R4000 microprocessor was developed by MIPS Computer Systems and was officially announced on October 1991. It was one of the first 64-bit RISC microprocessors and had a clock speed of 100 mmHz. The R4000 was a multi-chip CPU that implemented the MIPS 3 instruction set architecture, ISA, and was used in the IBM.
The Intel Pentium 60 MHz processor, also known as the P5, was released in 1993 and was targeted for desktop PCs. It was based on the P5 microarchitecture and was manufactured using a 0.8 micron process. The Pentium 60 MHz utilized socket 4 and was one of the early members of the Pentium family. The Intel Pentium Pro 150 MHz processor was launched in 1995 and was targeted for high-end desktops, workstations, and servers. It was based on the P6 microarchitecture and was manufactured using a 0.50 micron process. The Pentium Pro 150 MHz utilized socket 8 and was one of the early members of the Pentium Pro family.
The Intel Pentium DASA2 233 MHz processor, introduced on May 7, 1997, was a significant advancement in CPU technology.
The Intel Pentium III processor was released in 1999 and was available in clock speeds ranging from 450 MHz to 1.4 GHz.
The Gecko processor, custom-made by IBM in 2000 for Nintendo, was a superscalar out-of-order 32-bit PowerPC microprocessor. It was used as the CPU in Nintendo's 6th-generation game console, the GameCube. The Gecko processor had a clock rate of 486 MHz and was designed to facilitate game scripting, artificial intelligence, physics. The Xenon processor, also known as the X-CPU, was developed by Microsoft and IBM for use in the Xbox 360 game console. The processor was manufactured at IBM's facilities in New York and chartered semiconductor manufacturing in Singapore.